Hey there, 3D printing enthusiasts. If you're looking for the perfect filament for your next printing project, then look no further than SUNLU PLA 3D printer filament. This filament is reliable, versatile, and easy to use, making it the ideal choice for both beginners and experienced users. With SUNLU's self-developed neat winding device, you can expect a 100% neat rate, reducing the risk of tangles and jams, and providing a smoother and more efficient 3D printing experience. Plus, with a dimensional accuracy of 0.02 mm, this filament is compatible with almost all 1.75 mm FDM 3D printers, making it a versatile option for any printing project. The size of the SUNLU filament spool is suitable for hanging on a lot of FDM 3D printers, so you can expect a hassle-free printing experience. And with recommended settings of a nozzle temperature of 200-230 C, a bed temperature of 50-65 C, and a printing speed of 50-100 mm per second, you can achieve the best printing results with this filament. But that's not all. SUNLU offers a wide range of high-quality 3D printing products, including filament dryers, FDM 3D printers, 3D pens, resin curing boxes, and other accessories, providing everything you need for a successful 3D printing experience. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your SUNLU PLA 3D printer filament today and take your 3D printing projects to the next level. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Check the link in the description and get yours now.